season's long landscaping traffic center taking to the final look at your drive home on this Monday. Further, your incident on the 395 at College heading southbound in Carson City has been moved to the Save Barn parking lot.
My name is Richie Rich, and I build some crazy shit at my shop. This is a Weathervane for Will Rose, a musician friend of mine. Has a little shop called Doodads, and we're going to put this out in front of his place, and I think it's going to be cooler than shit because I made it all out of recycled car parts and wheelchair parts, and it's doing its thing here in my shop. Having a little thunder shower out back. Nice clouds out there. This thing just floats along, does its thing. I call it the Whirly bird. Hopefully it doesn't get out of control outside in the wind. In the real wind. We're mounting it on a pipe anyway, so. Wind power. As long as you got wind. This thing is bitching. You look at some of the little car emblems on here and the tabs I've welded on, they look like the state of Nevada. We're in Carson City. Isn't that awesome? This is just a breeze blowing through my shop.
How come insurance companies tell me I can save 40% before they even know what I need?
How come nobody's asked me my idea of financial security? Country Financial does. Contrary to popular belief, there is a place where you can find everything you need for financial security under one roof. At Country Financial, we use our
I think I'm going to call Will and tell him that it's ready to be picked up, and he can put it up in front of his shop. Nice little doodad shop there in Silver City. Get all your knickknacks, doodads, t-shirts, cold drink if you want. This baby's really going to set his place off.
When someone says
says full throttle, you think 100%. And that's exactly what they do at Full Throttle Performance and Sparks. From general automotive service and repair for your car or truck to assembling the highest horsepower vintage replicas in the state. Computer diagnostics for your daily driver to fuel-injected big block Roush engine installed in your classic Mustang. So when you want to build that hot rod you've always dreamed of, or you want the very best care for your daily driver,